Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends freezing and stuttering problem. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Check for updates and make sure you have the latest update, and then go back and now right click on your desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Then just wait. Now click use my preference and move it to performance, and then click apply, and then just go back and now go to GeForce Experience. And now once you're here, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure you have the latest update, and that's it. Then go to settings, scroll down and enable this one, image scaling, enable it. Your problem must be fixed after that, and see you in the next video.